what are some of the best tricks on Amazon that actually work in 2025? What I'm seeing, especially in 2025, are the things that are not tricks, that are not tips, that are not shortcuts. And yes, I like to be as efficient as possible when it comes down to how to solve X to get to, my desired outcome. What I'm seeing so far is that some of the best tricks are the things that make you not think, which I want to make sure you understand why I'm saying that, is I could give you exactly the step-by-step process on how to create a campaign, what to do, what not to do. What you're going to end up with, especially if you're a beginner, is you're not going to learn to understand. And keep in mind that once that you are total beginner and you have no clue how to do it, the tricks are going to work for you because you're going to be able to mimic me with 5 years of strategy. Newbie Amazon PPC managers or aspire to be managers, what they're going to learn very quickly is that if they learn this one trick, it's going to work. But the thing is that what you don't have yet is the skill of troubleshooting. And the skill of troubleshooting is a muscle. It's something that you are going to need to repeat step by step, all over again, and then learn and be exposed to as much data and as much information as possible. Because that is going to allow you to quickly recognize patterns. And what Amazon PPC is, it's the trick to recognize patterns. Once you recognize them, what is the next step you're going to take? Are you going to pause the campaign? Are you going to lower your bids? Are you going to negate those keywords? Are you going to increase your bids? So those are only a few things based on this trick. You're going to do it. I'm saying that would be loving to give you all these exactly how to do it. On my YouTube channel, I'm actually creating lots of tutorials when it comes down to how to do XYZ. I also want to be more insightful and give you more feedback when it comes to tips and tricks. What I've seen so far in 5 years of doing ads is that tricks are only going to be able to go forward, and then it's going to give you the courage that I've been successful, I can replicate this, when success actually is to be able to replicate whatever you've done without even flinching that it's not going to be successful. So really hope that that insightful answer was something that you were looking for. But this is something that in 2025 work, thinking strategically, thinking 5 steps ahead, it's always going to work for you. And it's the best trick that you can apply.